for this coverage for this sensitive issue. Now, today Supreme Court has taken up all the 3 petitions filed in connection with this crisis. Now, Supreme Court has not issued notice, formal notice. What Supreme Court has done is, Supreme Court has not been swayed by the one-sided petition filed from one community. I represent the Meitei community who is demanding for inclusion in the civil tribe category. Now, we have been able to convince the Honorable Supreme Court that there is a picture to the picture shown in the PIL filed by the other community. The Supreme Court has been convinced that both the sides need to be heard, and in view of that, Supreme Court has directed the central government and the state government to file a status report regarding medical relief, humanitarian relief, evacuation of stranded people affected on both sides, not confined to one particular community, both sides. Because we have been able to place our grievance also that there are many affected, burnt down villages, deaths, injuries, temples, desecration, destroyed from our side, on our side also. So Supreme Court has fixed 17th of this month for the state government, central government to file a status report on the action taken within that 10 days period.